Talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Sims Group app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just scrolling down here until you will find here apps. Click on it. You come to apps list and there you're looking for Sims Group app, or just click on search. Then here at Sims Group, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on first stop, click here on OK. Then you scrolling down here, click on storage, click here on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, you click here on Play Store here. So then here you search for some club, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if you click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.